Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. I am out here with the wasps in late summer looking at our Shinseiki Asian pear. And what a great pear. It's very prolific. It took a couple years for it to start producing fruit, but once it did, it's very prolific. We've got just a bunch of yellow fruit in here. And as I reach up, I'm going to try and knock off, make sure I don't have any wasps waiting for me. I actually came out here over the last few weeks checking to see if it's been ripe, and it was ripe a few weeks ago, and I'm going to go ahead and take a taste and see how it is now. Oh, clearly what I tasted before was good, but it wasn't this level of ripeness. This is a great pear. It's early season for us, so it's it's August 31st, and we're up here in the Maritime Pacific Northwest. But I just got a great sugar-full taste of this. This is much sweeter than any other Asian pears I've had recently. And it's a very healthy tree. If we look here at the foliage, you could still, we're just kind of moving into the changing of the seasons. And it's really dry here on Lopez Island. But the foliage is still a deep green, and there's not very much indication of disease. And that's what we found for most of our Asian pears. They grow like weeds in our poor clay soil, and they produce a lot, and they're relatively free of disease. So I think if you've ever thought about getting an Asian pear, you should consider it. This is Shinseiki pear. It is a relatively early ripening, yellow, sweet plum that is healthy and grows like crazy for us up here.